and let's get into it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Free agent Oriole, if you can believe it. Oh, miss input, wrong way. Blaster is going to get him in this really bad situation. Just say that though. Oh, never mind. That's stuff. I wanted to say like it's not that bad of a situation. He should be fine. But you know, me and my big mouth. As I say that, he evens up the stocks just like that. Ooh, double blaster catching him out. Nair also beating out Nair. These are trades that I'm going to assume Wolf really does actually want to take, considering he has a stock lead here. And just as much kill power as any R.O.B. Plant those feet, shoot that gun. Ooh, great tracking, great edge guard. Is able to follow every option he wanted. Or lands on the up smash. Still keeps his life. I don't think he's going to survive too many more of those. Nice reflector. Just a little early on the back air. However, dash attack's going to close up that stock. They have kept this even as possible, really. Good patience. However, jabs reset. Jab block reset is going to do a ton of damage there. Ooh, good neutral landing. He's been able to beat out that up smash attempt on ledge. I mean platform. This blaster's been doing a lot of work for him. Yep, and he may have had time there to actually shield, but not quick enough. Score goes 1-0. Oriole. But I will say they were trading like stock for stock. Barely any extra credit given to either of these players. This laser doing a really good job, even though it's not going through gyro. It is stopping it from being a factor in advantage, or in neutral. I mean. Oh, good patience, but is not just a little late on it. Actually, I think he might have been early. Good dash dancing out of the kind of threat bubble that Leviathan is throwing out here. However, great aerial movement, gets that back air. Such a spammable move. So safe too. Great patience. He tried to either parry that or just shield it outright. Mistimes it, loses the stock for it. Oh, yep, that's going to be it for stock. Like I said, this is very reminiscent of Game 1. They're just trading stock for stock. I don't know if anybody noticed that, but he did only the first jab lock because I think that one keeps him in the air, which allowed him to actually scoop him up into the up smash. That was really cool and really great character knowledge coming out of Oriole. But honestly, the scoop on up smash is so big, and he gets the lead. He rolls right into it. Yep, that is going to catch it. That is such an active hitbox that he can throw out to disrupt Wolf's recovery. Read his soul with that one. Oriole's not giving up this pressure. He's using every boxing tool in the book to just get up into Wolf's face. He understands that Wolf doesn't have that many great out-of-shield options. Still living, but not too many more of that. Great patience. He waits out the spot dodge. And gets the up smash. This can end up being... Oh, he tries to do a soul read yet again. However, he's going to eat 35% for that. Weak hit of back air. And he's putting up almost 60% off these laser blasters alone. Ooh, that might be... No, he's able to recover. Waits out the back air, and let's go shield, unfortunately, and that is going to be a 2-0 victory for Oriole.
R.O.B wins.
All right, hot set. Now we have Forest and Tropical. Tropical Croc. Tropical is, of course, your King K. Rool extraordinaire, and Forest returning Zelda main. This looking like a very difficult matchup. Honestly, just like thinking about this actually might be a more difficult matchup for Tropical because of the Forest and Zelda's ability to Wizard's Foot basically for free. One of the hardest things that ends up being a hindrance to Zelda mains is their inability to